Hi, in this video we are going to learn about the list. Lists are the built-in data types in Python and they comes under sequence types. So there are some properties of list. The first thing is that list can contain the different data types like integer together with float, complex, boolean. So inside one list you can insert the different data types. Next, these are indexed means what? The value that is or the item inside the list that is present inside the list are going to have a particular index value. They are ordered and they are mutable means that we can update the items inside the list. Let's create a list. In the name of the list I'm taking a student which holds up the name of the students. For example, the student name I'm writing, let's say, is this student is the list which holds up three names of the students: Ashish, Sneha and Amrita. If I run the code, then it prints Ashish, Sneha, and Amrita, the whole list, and the items that is present inside the list. Not only these values, I can also create a list. Let's say name is lis, and I can put the string value inside it like hello. I can give here any random integer value. I can also give here the boolean value. I can also give here the float value, suppose 12.65. So it gives in the output every values. Now they are indexed. These list values, the items that is lying inside the list, all of them are having a proper index. So if I want to print what is present at the first index and the index, how to access the index using this operator. Okay, so accessing item is done using the operator, that is slice operator. We also call it as an index operator. What is present at second index? If we check in the lis 0 1 2, at the second index false is there, so in the output it results false. So here we are going through all the operators that works with the list. Then we have the range slice operator. This was which operator? This is the slice operator. Then we have range slice operator. In range slice, we can provide a proper range for accessing the items. Suppose I have to access the item starting from hello till, I have to access from hello till false. Okay, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 0 to 3 I'll have to insert here. Then it gives me 0, 1, 2 false. So whenever you have to access any item, we have to write index value one more than that. If I have to access till 0, 1, 2, this value false, then I have to write here 3 because false is present at the second index, but we have to give the range as 0 to 3 here. This was about the range slice operator. Next we have the other operator that works here is the repetition operator. So what in repetition operator we have, like, it is going to multiply the same values whatever time you are mentioning there. Suppose here only I am writing the repetition operator. Suppose I want to print this for 4 times. Okay, and then I will run these statements. So now it says that hello 12 false, 12.5 hello 12 false, 12.5 hello. So 4 times it is repeated. So this was about the repetition operator. And next we have the membership operator. So if I have to check if the particular value is present in the list or not, suppose I want to check 12, is 12 in, so I'm going to use the in operator. In is the membership operator to check it returns true or false. So here 12 is it present in list or not. So when I run the code, then it says true because 12 is in the list. Then we have not in also, so let's check about not in. And let's say I want to check for hello. Is hello present? Not in. Hello not in list, but hello is in the list, so it will result false. So yeah, it gives us false. Let's see now the concatenation operator. So I want to concatenate whenever I have to concatenate two lists. Suppose there I have again created list 2, and here I am writing some values like 34, 56. Now I want to use the concatenation operator. So I'm going to mention here list 3, the value that is holded is lis plus list 2. What I'm doing here is that I'm going to concatenate lis and list 2, or let's change the name list 1 and list 2. List 1 and list 2 is concatenated here and it is stored in list 3. Now let's print this list 3 and run the code and see the output. So it has concatenated the list 1 and list 2 values. So in the list 1, all the items are hello 12, false 12.5, and in list 2 we have 12, 34 and 56. So it has concatenated all the values 12, 34 and 56 into one list, that is in list 3. So these were the different operators that works. The first one we studied about the slice operator, then we studied about range slice operator, then we studied about the membership operator, okay, in and not in, the membership operator, then we studied about this concatenation operator. So these were the operators in the list.